In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark your favorite websites in Google Chrome. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, whether you're a student trying to efficiently gather resources, a professional managing numerous web tools, or just someone who wants to organize their browsing experience. Let's dive right in and make sure you have all the skills you need to get your favorites just a click away. First, open up Google Chrome and navigate to the website that you want to bookmark. This could be any page, from news sites you frequent to that online store you keep buying things from. Once you're on the page, take a look at the address bar. You'll notice a star icon, which looks simple but is vital for bookmarking. To add a bookmark, just click on that star icon in the address bar. A small window will pop up giving you the option to name your bookmark. Here, you can keep the title as is or adjust it to whatever makes it easily identifiable for you. For example, if you're bookmarking a recipe page, you might want to change it from Best Chocolate Cake Recipe to just Chocolate Cake, something you can quickly recognize later. Now that you have given your bookmark a suitable name, you might want to consider where to save it. Chrome provides a few options for this. By default, it tends to save bookmarks to the bookmark bar, but you can use the drop-down menu to select other folders. If you're super organized, you might want to create folders for different topics or categories. This can be done by clicking on More, which lets you access and create new folders, making it easier to find your bookmark later. Once you've selected the appropriate name and location for your bookmark, go ahead and click Done. This saves your bookmark and makes it quickly accessible in the future. If you opted for the bookmark bar, you can view it right below the address bar for easy access. But what if your bookmarks seem to multiply quicker than you'd like? That's where Chrome's Bookmark Manager becomes essential. Access this feature by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, selecting Bookmarks, and then Bookmark Manager. This helpful tool allows you to view, edit, and delete bookmarks, and even drag and drop them into folders, ensuring your bookmarks remain organized and manageable. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to bookmark your favorite websites in Google Chrome. This simple yet powerful tool will save you time and effort, letting you effortlessly return to web pages you find valuable. Remember, with an organized bookmark system, you can make your browsing experience smoother and more productive. Thank you for joining me today, and happy browsing!